What's up, everybody? I'm your boy Slick Pits, and you're watching Dive Time Watch Reviews. And let's get into this bad boy right here. Spinnaker has sent me the Bradner Automatic. Internal bezel, compression style case, bold design, but we're going to hype the crap out of this thing. We're opening it, and we're going to judge it. So, of course, we are getting through this packaging. Box is a little funky and stuck in here. I always love how right when you open the box from Spinnaker, you got the big bold lettering on there. They definitely know what's inside this thing. Let's tear this thing open. Come on here. And inside we've got the nice little display box. Spinnaker. Always like their boxing. Quality. Nice texture to the box, presents very well. And inside we have some silica. Get rid of that. And here's the watch. Wow, look at this thing. The texture on the dial looks amazing. Yes, guys, that's that internal bezel you see. Here's the warranty card. Of course, you can scan the QR code for your warranty on that. We'll put that back in. And we're going to pull out the watch and take a look at this amazing, really good looking dial. Amazing, beautiful stainless steel bracelet. Let's take a second here, just go around it, and I'm going to take off all this plastic so we can get a better look. And here we go. Let's talk about some specs on that Spinnaker Bradner Automatic. This one's powered by a Japanese automatic movement with a 3-hand layout and a date complication. You're looking at a 42mm stainless steel case coming in at about 14mm thick with a 50mm lug-to-lug. Dial on this one is that bold red paired with applied indices and Swiss Superluminova for that low light visibility. Up top, you got a sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating. It's a screw-down crown setup, and you've got that dual crown system to control the internal rotating bezel. Bracelet is a 20mm stainless steel with a fold-over clasp, safety lock, and push-button release. The water resistance is rated at 18 atmospheres, or 180 meters. And this whole package comes in at about 180 grams on the wrist, backed by a 2-year internal warranty. So you can tell, guys, what I'm feeling right now is exactly what I would come to expect from Spinnaker. Right now, I can already tell it's not a boring watch by any means. This thing's got personality, but personality doesn't make it a tool watch. So we're going to wear it, we're going to beat it up a little bit, and we're definitely going to get this thing in the water. Okay, guys, this is just the unboxing. Full review is coming, and you already know. If it's got diver on it, we're diving it. I'm your boy Slick Pits, and I'll see you in the water.